Here it is, guys, a simple look at my new shop setup. And it's really cool because I'm going to begin doing videos right there, and the background will be my shop. And so, man, let's take a look. Real simple setup. You don't need much, guys. The only thing that I don't have in here that's in a different bedroom is the rest of the Bible orders that I have and leather, but I have everything else here set up. So, man, we got a 3-station. Keep it simple, right? Here's miscellaneous stuff that I use here. Paper, spine backing, adding fly leaves. That's what I use right there. A box of ribbons, glue, right? Different materials that we got going on. And then we can move on to the, here's the workbench. And I'll link everything you see in here, the big items, I'll link down below. And so there's a workbench, and what I do is I detach the back just to give me more room, and then I just put it on the wall there. And then, right, that leads up to my mom's husband made that for me. And then we also got some lighting up there. And again, these were really cheap and really light. And then they attached, and then here's another one, another small one. And then here's the embossing station. And then we got my sewing machine. I'll just do this. I'll just pull it out, and I'll do my sewing right there. And then I'll move on. So yeah, right, there's different threads I use. And here's right, there's my typesets. And then we got up here foil. And then here's typesets that I use pretty consistently. And then here's just some different things, leather dye, edge stuff, different stuff like that. And then here's where it's always terrible in here. I need to organize this. I just moved it and the stuff in here got thrashed. But I keep spare ribbons that I, take off Bibles and headbands. I just keep them color coordinated. And then here is, again, I just moved my workbench and it thrashed everything around. But here's where I keep my my edge dye and my headbands and miscellaneous stuff. But man, that's it, man. You don't need. You could even see my gimbal there. But yeah, you don't need a lot. Simple setup. So I'll link tables, workbench, lighting. I could link my sewing machine. I could link my soldering iron. See what else to kind of get you guys going. I do have a video of all the tools I use, the different tools. But man, I think this is just a really cool setup. Then to have my desk right here. And I'll be able to sit right here with some natural lighting come in. So just very cool, man. Very cool. I'm excited for this new shop setup, man. So, man, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.